Alright, my YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we got a tilt front end update for the 55 gasser. We've got bars bent up, we've got bars welded onto our hinges, and we're fiberglassing the hood in. So, I mean, we're this close, so stick around and check out the progress on the tilt front end for the 55 Chevy. Alright. Before we get into that part of the video, I want to give a shout out, a couple of shout outs here. There's a guy on here that has a channel with B-Dub's Garage. The guy's building a badass 55 Chevy, doing it the right way. It's Sad News 55 is what it's called. And like I say, he's building a nice channel over there, a nice car, and he's networking. He's trying to draw a bunch of people in, a bunch of like-minded YouTubers in. And, you know, just network and get us all, get our videos out there to be seen. So, right here, B-Dub sent me a couple of decal stickers. I'll give them a little closer there. And we're going to stick them on the cabinet today. So thank you, B-Dub. And, like I said, I'm going to put a link below. Go check out his channel. He's doing good stuff over there. So let's get these stickers up. Alright, I'm going to stick that one right there. Look at that. There you go. Alright, awesome. Thanks a lot, buddy. And look forward to the next video. Alright, man, that's a cool sticker. That's a cool sticker. I want to do one more shout out in this video, and this one goes out to Chris. Chris, buddy, love the channel. Go over to Ironhead Garage. I'll put a link below. Check out Chris. He is also building a 55 old school gasser, badass, doing some good work over there, good content. I mean, I'm just telling you, just a nice guy. So do me a favor, even if you have to leave this video right now, go over to his channel, sub his channel. We want to get Chris up to 1,000 subs. Once you hit 1,000 subs on YouTube, they help you promote your channel a little bit better. And I'm telling you, people need to check out this guy's build. So just leave here if you have to. Go over there and sub the dude's channel. He's a good guy. You're going to love it. And thanks, Chris. Once again, look forward to your videos every week. And we'll see you in the next one, buddy. Now, let's get to my gasser tilt front end project. Let's go check some of it out. That is awesome.
Definitely different than anything you've ever seen.
It is. I can't wait to flip it.
Definitely different than anything anybody's got out there.
All right, so there's the front end. This is what we're gonna get sticking out the front here, but and if you look, and there, that's the hinge. So we'll get a closer look at that thing in a minute. So this is gonna lift. So this lifts straight up, which will lift the back up to clear the 2.4 tunnel ramp. And right now, we're trying to get the bar bent up in there. I'll show you. So there's a support bar. It will go across, come down, and attach to this bracket. We just have to bend it right and get it cut to the length. Okay, so I know it doesn't look like much, but the way this is going, my hood is going to tilt around that. So that's going to be so cool, man. It's going to be so cool. So I could either leave the hood setting like this, just there, or tilt it. So yeah, we're making big progress finally on this tilt front end. I just can't wait. All right, Jeffrey, show us how this works, buddy. And with that, we are clearing a 2.4 tunnel ram. Gets up there, and at that point, it can tilt. Right now, we got it locked in. but it tilts from that point out. Oh, that's sweet. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video. All right, there's the hood braces. We've got the first layer of fiberglass laid down there. We're going to grind her down a little bit, lay it a little smoother. But it is going to a body man so he can finish the actual finish prep, but I'm just getting this laid in there nice and tight. So we're going to move on to getting another layer down here. So it's off of the hood. So how it works is it bolts in here off of these mounts and then lifts and tilts. So all right, let me keep rolling here. All right guys, so that tilt front end is getting pretty close. So now hopefully next video, well, the next video coming up, if you check back through my videos, there's a show in Ocean City, Maryland. It's like 4 days of car show. So that is coming up. I leave next Tuesday night and head to Ocean City, Maryland for, I won't come back until Monday morning. I'll be leaving down there Monday morning. 4 days of shows. So if you like car shows and stuff like that, you know, stick around and check out some of those videos. But right now I'm trying to get ready to go there, so I'm going to get this ready because the Dreamsicle is still in the interior shop. The gasser's not ready, of course, so I'm going to take this truck down there and we're going to have fun just cruising around, having a good time though. But you will see videos of that front end. Right now the front end is ready to go back on. Got to get the headlight buckets in there, get the grill cut out, you know, just odds and ends to button up. I have to get the hood pins on the side of it. So it's going to be close. So there's another video of that coming up. And yeah, we're just trying to get that thing done. The whole plan was to race it last year, pre-COVID, and it just kind of got pushed to the side. Yeah, so anyway, the gas is getting closer by the minute. Getting ready to send it out to the paint shop here soon. Get the bodywork, the fiberglass work done on it. Some of the other bodywork done on it. Get her painted up. And then, you know, little odds and details. So I'm hoping to get that thing to run down the track this year, at least by the end of the season. So we shall see. I don't know. I'm not rushing anything, though. I mean, I'm having fun with all the cars and all the trucks. And I'm not going to push anything to the point where it's unsafe for me to do so. And if it's where I'm not having fun anymore. So I'm having too much fun. You guys, if you follow the video, you see I have too much fun doing this. But like I say, stick around for the next couple of days coming up. I see lint blowing all over the place. It's just dusty. But anyway, next video, next week, there's going to be some good stuff coming out. A lot of Pro Streets, a lot of 55s, a lot of gassers. I mean, it's so many different car shows. It's not one car show. It's so many different car shows that goes on from different locations. And like I say, if you haven't seen any of my videos, go back and look at some of my Ocean City videos and check out the ones coming up. So anyway, I'm rambling on, and we'll see you on the next one. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.